This is how to add a CNAME record in InfinityFree. From your dashboard, go to your account, then scroll down, and you can see here DNS records. Then click Add DNS record and choose CNAME record. Then add a subdomain, for instance, sub, and for the target domain is the root domain, and just click create CNAME record. And you can see here your CNAME record. And if you want to check its propagation, you can go to DNS tracker. Let's go to DNS tracker. Then we will put our subdomain here. It will be sub.webchunks.space. And we will choose CNAME and just click search. And our CNAME has been propagated. So this is how to add a CNAME record in InfinityFree.